Picture this: a major player in the gaming world, responsible for hits like PUBG and Subnautica 2, is boldly pivoting its entire strategy to revolve around artificial intelligence. It's a move that's sparking excitement and debate alike, and Krafton isn't just dipping its toes in, it's diving headfirst. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this the dawn of a smarter, more efficient industry, or a risky gamble that could sideline human creativity? Stick around, because this transformation is just getting started, and it might change how you think about video games forever. Krafton, the powerhouse behind beloved titles such as PUBG, often known for its intense battle royale action, Inzui, and the upcoming Subnautica 2, a deep-sea exploration adventure, has officially proclaimed itself an AI-first company. This isn't just a catchy slogan, it's a fundamental shift that positions artificial intelligence right at the heart of tackling challenges. The company is undertaking a thorough restructuring to embed AI into every corner of its operations, making it the go-to tool for solving problems big and small. For newcomers to the tech scene, think of AI as smart computer programs that can learn, adapt, and even mimic human decision-making. Imagine software that analyzes game data to predict player behavior or generate ideas for new levels, helping developers focus on the fun, creative parts rather than repetitive tasks. In their announcement, shared in a detailed Korean-language press release on their official website, Krafton laid out the vision for this transition to an AI-first company. The strategy emphasizes elevating AI as the primary driver for innovation, encouraging personal and organizational growth, boosting overall efficiency across the board, and propelling long-term business success. CEO Kim Chang-han put it eloquently in a statement that was translated mechanically. Starting today, Krafton will automate work centered on agentic AI and fully implement an AI-centered management system where members focus on creative activities and complex problem-solving. We will leap forward as a company that promotes the growth of members and expands the organization's areas of challenge through AI. Agentic AI, for those just starting out, refers to AI systems that act autonomously, like digital assistants that can plan and execute tasks on their own. It's like having a tireless helper that handles the groundwork so your team can dream up the next big feature. To bring this ambitious plan to life, Krafton is pouring in serious resources. They are allocating approximately $69.7 million, equivalent to 100 billion Korean won or about £52.3 million, toward building a powerful GPU cluster. GPUs, or graphics processing units, are the engines behind AI computations. They're like the high-performance muscles that allow computers to handle complex calculations quickly, such as processing vast amounts of data for things like advanced reasoning or step-by-step planning in game development. This setup is expected to be fully operational by the second half of 2026, laying the groundwork for ramping up their AI capabilities. On top of that, another $20.8 million, 30 billion Korean won or roughly £15.5 million, is earmarked for training their workforce, ensuring everyone is equipped to harness AI tools effectively. Through this upgraded infrastructure, Krafton aims to supercharge its research and development in AI, particularly enhancing in-game AI services that could make virtual worlds even more immersive and responsive. And this is the part most people miss. Krafton's stance isn't unique in the gaming landscape. It's part of a broader trend where companies are embracing AI to stay competitive. Take Square Enix, for instance. Back in 2024, CEO Takashi Karu vowed to aggressively integrate AI into their processes, with teams experimenting on projects like the short-lived shooter Foam Stars. Level 5, the creators of Professor Layton puzzles, have utilized tools like Stable Diffusion, an AI for generating images, to streamline their creative workflows. Capcom, known for Resident Evil and Street Fighter, is tinkering with generative AI to brainstorm the thousands of ideas needed for game design. Even Sega has its own dedicated AI team working on innovations. A recent study from the Computer Entertainment Suppliers Association, CESAR, the group behind the Tokyo Game Show, revealed that more than half of Japanese game developers are incorporating AI into their production pipelines. This widespread adoption suggests AI is no longer a novelty but a necessity in the fast-paced world of gaming. But let's address the elephant in the room. This AI-centric shift raises eyebrows and sparks heated discussions. On one hand, it's hailed as a way to boost productivity and open doors to groundbreaking experiences, like more personalized gameplay or automated quality checks. On the other, critics worry it might lead to job displacements, where human developers are replaced by algorithms, or dilute the artistic soul of games by prioritizing efficiency over originality. What if AI-generated content feels formulaic or lacks the human touch that makes stories resonate? Some argue it's an ethical minefield, touching on issues like data privacy and the potential for biased AI that reflects real-world inequalities. Is Krafton paving the way for a brighter, more innovative future, or setting a precedent that undervalues the irreplaceable creativity of people? It's a debate worth having, especially as more companies follow suit. So, what do you think? Do you see this AI revolution in gaming as an exciting leap forward that will make games better and more accessible, or a slippery slope that could erode the magic of human-made entertainment? Are you concerned about the implications for jobs and creativity, or optimistic about the possibilities? Share your opinions in the comments. Let's discuss and see where the conversation leads.